can't say that I'm not anxious at all. I think I am not anxious about the appearance itself, but how my internal feelings could be illustrated by the appearance, just like dancing.
Appearance anxiety is pretty common, but I don't pay too much attention to it. I think what's most important is what's inside your heart, just like what I tell my students all the time.
I used to be very insecure about how I look, and I was always worried about not looking good enough or being fit enough. And when people told me that I'm pretty, I don't believe in it. Because I thought that's only because they've never seen me without makeup. But I don't have that mindset anymore. Because the body that I'm born in only represents part of me. It doesn't tell you who I am or the world that I've seen. And I realized that when I like myself more, people can feel it too. So now, instead of listening to others, I prefer to listen to myself. No one
Can ignore a person
who loves and treats herself well.